Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. Actually the first subscription beauty box of the month of September. This time it's not the Macy one as usually. It's the Beautyfix by Dermstore, and I'm surprised that the box came earlier this month. I don't complain at all. Before opening this box, I want to let you know that at Beauty Advent Calendars time it's here. They are already on the market, and probably right now are available for sale about around 5-7 of them. I will leave down below some links when you can check what is available, what's gonna be available for sale as advent calendars, the date when they will come out for sale or for pre-sale as the Look Fantastic, which is coming out on the 7th. I don't know exactly what's gonna be the date, if I'll be able to post this today on the 6th or tomorrow on the 7th. But anyway, Look Fantastic is gonna be available on the 7th. As I said, I will leave down below the links with what's coming on the market. Some of them, many of them are coming from the UK as usually. They have beautiful advent calendars. Some of them are not available for US. I was trying to get some of them and they don't ship to US, which is bad, but it is what it is. Some of them will be available for US. I have 3 of them on the way, so if you want to see what's coming in the advent calendars. And I want to mention that this is my favorite time of the year, the beauty advent calendars time. I did cancel many of my subscription boxes in order to get those advent calendars, and this is gonna be those boxes are gonna be out from my collection for a good amount of time, because the calendars are not cheap at all. I have 3 of them on the way. Actually, I supposed to get one of them yesterday because I paid for expedited shipping. It didn't arrive in time. I supposed to get that on the 5th. It's the 6th, and later at night, and I still didn't got them. So I have to ask for a refund for the shipping because I paid a good amount of money to get them on the 5th. It didn't happen, so I don't know, whatever. They didn't even answer to me, so that's bad. Sometimes customer service is not the best for some of the websites, not the best to deal with. But we'll see about that. I wish everybody to be able to get at least 1 or 2 advent calendars, because those are beautiful collection. It's like you get 24 gifts in the same time. It's a time then when you feel like a kid again, opening so many gifts. So I would love everybody to have the chance to get at least one of them. So if you want to see what's gonna be in the advent calendars, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I will have a good amount of them. Hopefully, I hope so. We'll see. But for sure, I have 3 of them on the way. I hope to post the first one by the end of the week, if I'll get it. If not, maybe next week. We'll see. Also, if you love to watch my channel, I have another Cold Beauty free bag, which is gorgeous all the time, coming, and also couple hauls, and I don't know what else, many others. I'm still trying to do some reviews for you guys that you ask me about. We'll see how that works, but for sure after this video I will have some review for some lip products that I got recently, and also I will have another gift for a friend. So it seems like I'm gonna talk forever. Let's go ahead and see what's in the Beautyfix box. I can keep like that for hours and hours, but I'm sure you don't wanna hear that. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. One of my favorite boxes that I will keep at least for a while, comes mostly with skincare. There, it's supposed to be one full-size product in this box. Usually it is one full-size product. We'll see which one is this one. Also, before I forget, as I told you, I'm talking too much today, there is a limited edition box from at least right now in the moment I'm talking, because they are sold out in no time. In collaboration Look Fantastic and Eve Lom. It's $90, but there is a coupon. If you go on their website, there is a coupon for $20 off. I will leave the link for that box if you want to check it, and if it's still available. It's a beautiful box with 3 full-size products, and as I know, the value of the box, it's way over the cost, around $200 and something, or I don't want to give you wrong information, so I'm not gonna estimate that because I might be wrong. So let's go ahead and see finally what's in this box. I would like to chit chat with you. We can do that in the comments if you have any question. But finally, let's go ahead and see what's in this box. And I will leave also the link for this website if you wanna check this subscription. It's around $26. Comes every month. And their logo is healthy skin and hair. Begin here, as you can see on the lid. Here is the box inside. Comes with this card, and as far I can see, we have a ton of tiny samples. There is always a coupon here on the card if you are interested. Let me know in the comments down below, with 20% off if you buy full-size products. And inside of this we have the products that are in this month box. And they say here, back to basics. School is in session. We're going back to the fundamentals. Grab a pen and paper, because this month we're going to relearn a few beauty basics. In the season plan, you'll become well versed in all things self-care, from managing your mane to stopping acne before it starts, because nothing is basic about an educated queen. Sounds good. Let's see what they have for us in this. You might hear some noises, but the water is running outside. Somebody's washing my car anyway. So we have here a dermatological product. Is this one right here? Another tiny sample, of course. And this one is Rapid Reveal Peel. Start fresh. Give yourself a fresh new canvas by using a peel. Safely remove impurities to even brighten and reveal brand new skin. Sounds good to me. I like peeling masks, so it's a good item to try. I never tried this one. Then we have, I wish to tell you how much is the full price of the product, but they don't list that. Then we have a Murad product in here, and this one is Step 3 Hydrate. About this one is Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Moisturizer is your skin best friend. Infuse your skin every day with luxurious oil-free hydration to keep skin plump, firm and healthy. Let's see how big is this tiny guy, because I got some of those before and I know their size. So at least they make cute boxes, cute samples. Is this one right here, and this one is a moisturizer. Doesn't have any scent but looks very pinky, which is a cute color as first impression. Then we're gonna have in this box, I see here from Skin Iceland, blemish dots with willow bark, rich and salicylic, whatever is the name, salicylic, whatever, acid, doesn't matter the name. Anyway, is this one. About this one, they say, did you know you can banish pimples before they make it to the surface? Use this botanically infused dust to get ahead of breakouts. I used them before and they work for my skin. What I realized recently, because I was using a couple different brands, I use this one. I'm using a lot was the name, Thomas Peter wrote same thing, the dots, and also some Korean ones. I realize, at least for my skin, they work better than the Kate Somerville spot treatment or whatever is that. I know everybody's raving about that treatment. Everybody's talking about how well that one works. I opened one of that because I got that in a box, but it doesn't work as great as those. With the Kate Somerville, it takes days for me to heal a blemish. With those, I apply those at night, and in the next morning, at least for me, the blemish is gone. At least if you catch them in a first stage. So I'm happy to have another one like this. Then what else we have? We have a cute box here. This one is from Juice Beauty. It's green apple cleansing bar. It's actually a bar soap. And about this one, starting your day with this antioxidant infused, not so basic bar soap will set your skin up for success no matter what the day holds. So I will try this one. Let's see how big is this one. I am not a fan. Looks like this. Smells like, at least to me, like a homemade soap. Not in a bad way, don't get me wrong. But anyway, we'll see about this one. As I told you before, if you see something in my videos that you want me to try in the samples of the week video, just let me know and I'll be happy to do that. So it was that one. Until now, I would say nothing exciting, but let's go ahead and see what else we have. And we have a repeat item, is this one right here. And this is Van Effect Micro Exfoliant. Is this guy here. What does a micro exfoliant do? Tiny beads and moisturizing cleanser clear dead skin cells, revealing smoother, luminous skin. I'm pretty sure that this one came before in this box, so that's one point that I don't like about this box. I got many repeats in here. It is what it is. Next we have another thing that I don't like for this box, because they don't used to send the perfumes before in the box, but it easy to fill a number of the products with a perfume sample. So we got in this box another perfume sample. This is from South Pacific Vanilla Blackberry. Is this one right here. And about this one, all day freshness is a beauty basic. Do a quick 3 spritzes of this elegantly simple perfume for hours of aroma. Let's see how big is this one. It's not that tiny vial. This one is a little bit bigger. And let's have a first impression for this one. Smells pretty nice, sweet and fresh. Reminds me of the vanilla cookies. Anyway, it's a vanilla blackberry scent, pretty nice. Then we have another item that comes very often in boxes. Is Laura Geller New York. And this one is a lip liner and spice. It's this nude color. I am not gonna swatch this one because probably this one will go, not probably, for sure, will go in those samples bags giveaways. So is this one. About this one, trace and accentuate your pout with this creamy pout perfecting liner that will become your new go-to. Color will vary. So I got the spice one. Maybe you'll get something else if you have the box. Then we have this box in here, and this one is Harry Josh Pro Tools Mini Detangling Brush. I don't know how many brushes I got in the boxes, hair brushes, and in a box like Beautyfix, I prefer to get skincare, not hair brushes. But anyway, it is whatever it is. Let's see how this one looks. About this one, yeah, brushing your hair is a beauty basic. This mini brush is perfect for detangling and for massaging your scalp, kick starting growth. So we'll see about that. It doesn't wanna come out as many others before. So let's see how this guy looks. Seems to be, at least it has a pretty nice color. This one right here, and looks like this. So it's a pretty brush. We'll see how this one works. So what else we have in this one? I think we have just one more product. Yes, we have one more product, and this is the full size product. This is Dr. Brand Micro Dermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. Is this one right here, and this one also came many times in many boxes. Here is the full size of this. About this one, micro dermabrasion, an exfoliant designed to safely remove the top layer of skin, reveal younger, brighter looking skin in minutes with this cult favorite. I know it's a favorite. I didn't try it. If you did, let me know how this one works for you. And this perfume smells pretty nice. So here was the last item in the box. So far for this month, for me, it's an okay box. It does worth way more than, because I believe this one is around, and correct me if I'm wrong, probably this one is around $70, which covers 3 times the box. But anyway, you always get a great value in the box. Full size item, a good one, Dr. Brand. Then we have this hairbrush, and the rest of them are pretty tiny samples. Murad moisturizer, perfume. This is another full size item, the Laura Geller lip liner, a bar soap from Just Beauty, Van Effect scrub, I believe, micro exfoliant, another a peel, professional graded home peel from Dermatologica, a tiny one, and those dots that are coming in different sizes. You get 12 of them in here, and so far they work for me. So that's kind of all for this box. Let me know what do you think about this month for Beautyfix. I will see you very soon with another video. I didn't film anything because I just didn't have time in the last days. I have a ton to film. I want to film a ton of videos. I don't know how that will work. As I told you at the beginning, I will leave the links down below for this box and for the advent calendars if you want to check them. Also, you let me know in the comments down below what would you like to see next, because for me it's kind of hard to choose what video to film. But anyway, I know I have lots of requests for some reviewing products. We'll see how that works. In the meantime, you have an amazing day or a great night, depend what's there. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.